Facebook page or our website. And guys, if you are interested on the job, please. Thank you, ma'am, sir. Thank you.
Hey guys, look, IT Solutions is looking for job applicators.
Hey bro, what kind of job is that?
Open positions are IT support specialist, software developer, and network and security administrator.
Where can we apply?
At Chalpan City branch.
So what are the requirements?
Requirements are job applicators and birth certificate.
Okay.
Should we apply?
Let's go!
Let's go!
Hello guys, is that okay? Let's apply at the IT support company. I heard that they are hiring. Oh really? What are we waiting for? Let's apply. I can join. I really need this job.
Oh, sounds good. L1 too.
Sounds good. I'm ready soon. Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
Good morning po. Good morning
Yes,
po.
good morning ma'am. How can I help you?
Here's my resume po.
Okay then. Please wait for any further announcement.
Here's all the applicant resume. Okay, I will give it to Miss Secretary. Hi ma'am, this is all the applicant's resume. Okay, thank you. Welcome. Good morning ma'am. These are the all resume of the applicant. Okay, thank you. Please wait for my upcoming update. Okay ma'am.
I've already received an email from the company about the transfer. Oh, I already received my email. What about the transfer? I didn't receive any kind of email. Maybe you have called me. Maybe. I guess.
Sad to say guys, I didn't receive any email to the company.
Let's wait for another day. Maybe you receive anything from the company.
Hello, Miss De Los Reyes. Come to my office now. Miss Baez, here's all the qualified applicant for interview tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Here's all the qualified applicant interview.
Thank you, Miss De Los Reyes.
So you're Wendy Anchetongo?
Yes po.
Why did you choose our company?
Because there's many benefits and I believe that this company will give me learnings and knowledge about marketing.
Just wait for our call if you're hired. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all for coming today. So, before we start, allow me to introduce myself. So, I'll be your interviewer for today, and my name is Alan Lloyd R. Perez.
Hi guys, good day.
Thanks for joining us online. I'm Jansen Luis Espiritu from IT Solutions Company. This will be just a casual interview, so feel free and relax.
Good afternoon, everyone. So as part of the process, you will undergo an assessment to test if you are really qualified in your position that applying in our company. So Ms. Lupig will give the assessment paper to each of you.
As a role of HR manager, I've learned a lot of things about HR process. Finding the right person is very important. It's not just about skills, but also how you really like your job. Being better HR manager, we are accountable and responsible, especially when it comes in our decision making.